Let's continue with our snake moving methods. And we already created move left and move down. And we tested by printing out the board. So before the move, right, we compare the board, right, before the moving and after it. Let's give it a try. Test move, yeah, test move left. That's right click, run it. So we can, using our human eyes, right, to compare this one. So, oh yeah, it moves to the new location. But that is not good. We have to use, we'd better use the automatic, right, method to check the result. We can use assert equal, assert equal. We can select an integer, yeah, here, right, assert equal here. What's expected? For example, we can check the the x of the snake head. Before the move is the column should be 2, right? After the move, it should be 1. Okay, so we can assert that equal. So here, let's say 1, and actual is board dot snake, right? This is the head dot column, is it? Board dot, wait a minute, what's wrong? Snake, oh, dot get 0. Yeah, this is our head. Oh, now this is the head dot column. And after that, after we move the snake to the left, this guy should equal to 0, right? No, we move from 2 to, let's put 2 here to see what happened now. And run again. You see, it failed. What's the error message here? Can I make it bigger? No. Okay, so the font size is small, but let's see here is assertion failed error, right? Expected 2, but was 1. Okay. The actual value is 1. That's correct. So now let's test again. Yeah, the bar turns green. Now let's remove this. We don't rely on the printing of the board. Let's do it again. Nothing is printed out, and we know the logic is correct. So next time when we refactor this method, for example, right, change the internal implementation, but we can still rely on this test case to guarantee its function, right, its features is still there. Let's do the same thing for moving down. Okay, so we can run this one. Oh, let's run the whole thing here, the test. So now let's select the independent one, move down here, run, so we can focus on a single one, move down method. So here, yeah, move down, so we can check. This time let's check both the head, okay, and the tail. So now, so before the move, okay, before the move, the head, okay, let's copy this before the head. Yeah, that's the same. Okay, let's add the row. So what about the row? Row should be, yeah, 1. And let's also put the tail here. So tail has column 5 and the row 2. So tail, what's the tail? So it's a snake dot side. Oh, it's board dot snake dot size, right? -1. This is the tail. So the column should be 5. And the row is 2, right? So this guy. Okay. Now, what about the new location? Make a copy of that. Move to here. So the head will be here. So it's 2, 2, okay? 2 and 2. The new tail will be 4 and 2. 4 and 2. Let's give a try. Run it. Yes, it passed. If we change this to something else, it will fail, right? Yeah, we can also click this one. Yeah, it failed. So let's put it back. Undo. Try it again. Nice. Now we can delete that. The printing thing. We don't need that. Now let's go back to refactor. The move logic. Because there are a lot of duplication here. When we move the snake to the left, we change this part, right? So how can we pull out the common code from moveDown and moveLeft? So maybe we can provide a new head to a common method. So let's update the snake with a new head. Okay, so we can do this. Update snake with like new head. Snakes cell new head. Can we do that? So let's copy the whole thing into this one. So now instead of using this new head, we'll delete that. Just use the new head here. Current head. Okay, we don't need that, right? So now let's improve this one with the help of our update snake with file. So new. This is not the naming style, so update snake. Okay, let's remove the with, so to keep it a little bit shorter. So we can call update snake, right? New head. What's the new head? Oh, here's the new head. So we can, yeah, remove, we can, yeah, we needed that. Wait a minute. So we needed those two lines. Put it here. So we have the new head. Okay. Now I think we can remove all of them and do the same thing for the other one, this one, move down, and we'll use the logic here, right? Copy that to replace this one. That's our move down logic. Now, bye bye. So we refactored our move down and move left. So let's retest here to make sure everything still works. So this time, let's go here, run snake test. Nice, we didn't break anything. So the refactoring is successful. Cool, so now it's time to add more move function. We have another two. Let's copy it to save some time. So move down, let's move up here. Move up, the difference is here will be -1, yeah. What about move right? Copy. Yeah, move right. So yeah, the column should be increased by 1. That's it. Now clean up here. So we can go to the snakeball test to add another corresponding test case. Okay, I think you can do that as an exercise, okay? And that's it for today. See you next time.